Hello students. So in this lecture we are going to study about the homogeneous coordinates. So homogeneous coordinates is nothing but only addition of one extra dimension, or it is a virtual dimension, or we can say that. So in two-dimensional transformation or two-dimensional matrix representation, we represents the matrix in the three-dimensional way. Just like we were having this matrix, ये मैट्रिक्स था 2D मैट्रिक्स, और इसको हम लोग होमोजीनियस कोऑर्डिनेट में कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. सेम, द वैल्यू विल बी सेम, ओनली द एडिशनल फैक्टर विल बी दिस वन, 0 0 1 एंड 0 0 1. तो ये हो जाता है हमारा कोऑर्डिनेट, होमोजीनियस कोऑर्डिनेट्स. तो इसमें क्या होता है कि वाई डू वी नीड दिस थर्ड कोऑर्डिनेट. तो ये थर्ड कोऑर्डिनेट का ज़रूरत पड़ता है जब व्हेन वी हैव टू calculate the types of transformation, that is translation, rotation, scaling, reflection. So while performing those operations we need the third, as we have to multiply the matrix, one matrix to another. और matrix multiplication का ये rule होता है कि number of column of the first is equal to number of rows, that means m cross n का अगर matrix है then the value of और the second one वाला n क्रॉस समथिंग होना चाहिए. सो दिस n एंड दिस n विल बी इक्वल. तो इस केस के लिए व्हाट वी डू, वी कीप दिस एज होमोजीनियस कोऑर्डिनेट्स. सो लेट्स start the homogeneous coordinate. What is it? So the rotation of a point or a straight line or an entire image on the screen about a point other than origin. That means if this is our coordinate and this is origin, then some point in any direction, anywhere in the screen or anywhere in our graph, ये एक पॉइंट लेते हैं जो हम ओरिजिन के से हट के है. सो along that point if we want to transform any object, so we need homogeneous coordinates. So origin is achieved by first moving image until the point. So first क्या करते हैं हम लोग, ये we have already studied this part, that what we do, that we shift this point to this origin. अब हम यहाँ पे translate किए, यहाँ पे we will perform the rotation, scaling or anything, and after the performing of first transformation we again shift this to this point. यहाँ पे जो point है जहाँ से हम लाए थे वहाँ पे we will keep that point again. So it is achieved by first moving the image until the point of rotation occupies the origin, then performing rotation, and then finally moving the image to its original position. So this is the process of homogeneous coordinates, and the moving of an image from one place to another is a straight line is called translation, since we have translating the position of any object. So a translation may be done by adding or subtracting to each point the amount by which picture is required to be shifted, that is the value of tx and ty. So these were the two values along which we were translating any object, and the translation of point by the change of coordinates cannot be combined with other transformation by using simple matrix application. So such a combination is essential if we wish to rotate an image about a point other than origin by translation, rotation and again translation. So these three are the steps, or these three are the operations which we have to perform in on our object. So first we have to translate it to origin, and at the origin we will rotate, and after rotation we will again retranslate it to retranslate back it to its original place. So to combine these three transformations into a single transformation, homogeneous coordinates are used. So as I have told you that while matrix multiplication we need to have the number of columns and number of rows of two matrix should be equal. तो इस केस में हम लोग क्या करते हैं, ये homogeneous coordinate का concept लाते हैं, and in homogeneous coordinate system two dimensional coordinates are represented by triple coordinates. तो टू डायमेंशनल कोऑर्डिनेट्स को हम लोग ट्रिपल कोऑर्डिनेट्स से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, एंड द थ्री डायमेंशनल कोऑर्डिनेट्स आर रिप्रेजेंटेड इन फोर कोऑर्डिनेट्स. दैट मीन्स एक एक कोऑर्डिनेट हम लोग बढ़ा देते हैं. सो होमोजीनियस कोऑर्डिनेट्स आर जनरली यूज्ड इन डिज़ाइन एंड कंस्ट्रक्शन एप्लीकेशन, एंड हेयर वी perform translations, rotation, scaling to fit the picture into proper position. So example of representing coordinates into a homogeneous coordinate system. So for two-dimensional geometric transformation, we can choose homogeneous parameter h. So also in the last slide I have shown you one example 1 0 0 1, and we were having this homogeneous one, ये homogeneous 0 0 1 था. तो यहाँ पे 0 0 1 की जगह we can also write it as some homogeneous coordinate such as h. So most of the time this h is equal to 1, तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं h का वैल्यू 1 ही रखते हैं. So for two-dimensional geometric transformation, we can choose homogeneous parameter h to any non-zero value, and for our convenience, we take it as 1, and each two-dimensional position is then represented with the homogeneous coordinate x, y, 1. So x, y, 1 कर लेते हैं. That means this will represent just like this. ये इसी का मैट्रिक्स रिप्रेजेंटेशन है x, y, 1 का. ठीक है. So this was the homogeneous coordinates. Let's move on to the matrix representation. So matrix representation में what we do, we do not change anything, but ये जो 2D था, ये 2D था, इसे हम homogeneous में one dimension और add करिए. Similarly this was also the 2D form, and we are adding this again in this one. तो हमें कुछ नहीं करना, we are only adding this the third coordinate, the third supplement coordinate, or we can say that 0 0 1 0 0 1. तो जैसा 2D में हम लोग पढ़े, same here also we are doing the same thing, but only we are applying this 0 0 1 and 0 0 1 in the coordinate positions in the matrix representation. So let's see more. Here also we can see that the reflection along y equal to x, we are having the same matrix. In y equal to minus x also we are having the same matrix, only this additional 0 0 1 and 0 0 1, this is the additional one, and in the shearing also we are having same. तो यहाँ पे किसी तरह का कोई चेंज नहीं होता, only for calculation we use this homogeneous coordinates. So that's all for this video. We will start composite transformation in the next one. Thank you.